So guys, finally we are here with the next video of Learn Speed Cubing, or you can say the second video of orientation of the last layer. Today, we are going to learn 4 cases. And guys, I've made it so easy that you probably never even thought it could be this simple. What is RU? RU? Those who know what sledgehammer is, what are F, or F means, they already know these algorithms. Guys, are you already watching the video? Anyway, let's get to the first 2 cases without any nonsense. Nobody has much time. Guys, I know I'm the only one who's free. Alright, both of these cases are W. See, both look like W, right? So how do you recognize them? What's the difference between the two? What's the algorithm? If I'm about to explain that, then be ready to listen carefully. It's not exactly the same. It's not better in terms of its rules. So for the betterment of the people here, there's a need for a change here. Just like the small case's Great Croat, look at that small one. Here, you can recognize it in 2 ways. But I would say, from here, you just have to pay a little attention that on the right side of W, look at this. If you look on the right side, it's a little on this side, and if you look on the left side, the one on the left side will keep its holding position here. W is on the left side. This is the algorithm. Watch the finger trick. After that, I'll tell you guys how to learn this intuitively. RU push, RU. Or U, re-U, re-F. What was difficult about RFs? How fast is it? How smooth is it? Guys, this is the same algorithm I'm applying. I'm showing you how fast you can execute it. It's the same case. How do you remember this algorithm? Simply, what are we doing here? First, we're taking out this pair with RUR. After that, we're moving this same pair forward once. Now consider this pair. This is a pair. We're inserting this pair here with RUR, and at the end, we're bringing this pair here and inserting it with a sledgehammer. It's simple. If you guys have watched my video where I taught you how to learn any algorithm, you'll understand what I've done. The link is in the description. Check it out. You'll start memorizing algorithms in a minute. And as for the case where we first found an edge piece with yellow here, and then we realized on the right side, our holding position will remain the same, and we'll do the same algorithm from the left side. Look at this. First we'll take this pair out. We've taken this pair out. Now we'll move this pair forward once. Now we'll insert this pair here. And finally, we'll do the sledgehammer. Lefty, what was so difficult, man? What was difficult in these 2 cases? Tell me. I don't get it. I don't understand why there's so much hype about it. It's difficult, but we have to end this hype, man. Let's move on to the next cases. We don't have that much time. If they're so nice to look at, imagine how much fun it'll be to solve them. Just tell me this, man. There's no case like these when it comes to recognition. These are the kind of cases where all 4 coordinates are already solved and oriented, and 2 edges are also oriented. All 4 coordinates of this one are already oriented, and 2 edges are also oriented. The only difference is the diagonal edges here need orientation, while elsewhere it's the opposite ones. We'll discuss this edge case later. By looking at the edge case, you already recognized it. What's the holding position? The 2 that need to be oriented, put one in the front and one in the back. Got it? Edge? You have to hold it the way it's written, not like this, but like this, and then apply the algorithm. Watch the finger trick, then I'll tell you guys how to learn it. RUR prime, U prime, M prime, UR, U prime, small r prime. Man, this is so fast. There's no limit to it. I mean, it's next level fast. Next level? But here, there's one thing I want to tell you guys. There's an M prime move in the middle of this. How do I do that? First, I did RUR prime, U prime for the M prime. I don't use my middle finger here. I do something like this, man. I'll move it down once. There's a big difference between doing m like this and doing it like this. I'll explain this algorithm again. First, RUR prime, U prime, then M prime, URU prime, R prime. And now let me tell you how you have to remember this. It's a simple, sexy move. RUR prime, U prime, then M prime. So you'll remember M prime, right? And when you reach here, you have to do the inverse sexy once. So what is inverse sexy? It's explained in the algorithm video, URU prime. The only difference is that the last R prime has been converted to small r prime. That's all. And finally, we've reached our last case, thank God. What's the holding position here? It's easy to spot, just two diagonals, and yellow needs to be on top. So what's the holding position? The two that don't have yellow on top, right? You have to keep one on the right and one in the front. Front and right, see this one is on the right and this one is in the front. Hold it like this and use the finger trick for the algorithm. I'll explain and show you how to remember this. While staying here, small ru, small r prime, u prime, now here m. I'll do it the same way I did m prime, that is, like this. Now u prime, r prime. Alright, now how do you guys have to remember this case? The first four letters are sexy move. It's RUR prime, U prime, but the first R has been converted into small r. So here it stays small r, UR prime, U prime. Now you'll remember M, right? You do the M move, do M, and insert this pair here. That means inverse U prime, R prime, and brother, both these algorithms are very fast. I mean, if I show you by doing it on this, oh man, I don't like such mistakes, okay? Oh, why? And again, this lockup, 1 second, yeah, thank God, thank God. Finally, I got a good example. I don't know, man, now at least subscribe to the channel. Today we've uploaded the second video of orientation of the last layer. I'm trying, man, to upload videos quickly, but I'm not able to, man. These days are passing in a very strange way. The atmosphere is also strange. The cold is also increasing a lot these days. And now you guys don't even subscribe. Still, man, in the comments some people say that this guy is doing this, doing that. Anyway, let's leave all that for today. I've forgiven you guys, and you should forgive me too, because I'm really talking nonsense today. Goodbye, guys. Subscribe. Join the land speed cubing series, where we're teaching how to solve the 3x3 in 10, 11, 12 seconds, and that series is about to end soon. Goodbye.